Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Bushnell Trophy TRS-25 Red Dot Sight. If you're on a tight budget, this is the red dot sight for you. The Bushnell Trophy TRS-25 Red Dot Sight isn't Bushnell's greatest sight, but it's still a high-quality alternative from a reputable manufacturer. This sight comes with a lifetime warranty from Bushnell, but you're getting more than just a brand name with it. The 3MOA reticle is a good size for precision and quick target acquisition, and the 11 brightness settings let you customize the brightness to your needs. This red dot sight has nitrogen-purged fog proofing, so it will not fog up due to humidity or sudden temperature fluctuations, allowing you to see the red dot and your target clearly at all times. Even when fully submerged in water, the optics are O-ring sealed and will remain dry. The TRS-25 includes brightness settings ranging from 1 to 11, which illuminate the 3MOA dot reticle within to aid target acquisition. You may also extend the red dot's battery life by using lower brightness settings. The TRS-25 is built to endure knocks, bangs, and drops, and comes in a tough, precision-engineered casing that is ideal for the field's rough and tumble environment. You'll never have to be concerned about your red dot sight being damaged. Number 2 in this best red dot sight under $100 list is CV Life 1x22x33 red dot gun sight. It's a very affordable option with 4 different reticle patterns and 2 different reticle color options, as well as the ability to choose between 2 different colors for the sight itself. However, because it is a low-budget attraction, there are a few drawbacks. For starters, there are only 5 brightness settings, making it difficult to find the optimal setting for your circumstances. It's also not a design with no parallax. It has low parallax, but it isn't perfect. Apart from normal shooting, the tubeless design with 33mm reflex lens aperture provides a wide field of view, making it suitable for rapid firing or shooting of moving targets. Dual illuminated. 4 reticle shapes offer a variety of options in various situations, such as sunshine and cloudy days. Windage and elevation click adjustments with an Allen head screw and a locking screw, parallax correction and unlimited eye relief. The precision of the red dot sight machined from high-grade aluminum alloy and anodized in matte black, this accessory includes a standard profile Picatinny mounting base. Reflex lenses with fully multi-coated lenses provide the user with bright and clear views. Unrestricted eye relief, suitable for aiming with one eye closed and both eyes open. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Mid-10 2MOA Micro Red Dot Sight. It's an excellent value in terms of price and performance. It has 11 brightness settings that you can toggle through, just like the higher-end options. Furthermore, the 2MOA reticle is useful when precision is required, and the fact that it comes with 2 separate mounts is a nice bonus. This sight can be used with both eyes open, increasing the shooter's awareness of his or her surroundings and allowing for faster target acquisition. Because of the parallax-free design, the dot moves with the user's eye while remaining fixed on the target without centering. This Mid-10 2MOA red dot sight has been updated to allow for more accurate, both eyes open shooting. The large amount of eye relief allows for quick target acquisition. The scratch-resistant multi-coated lens improves image clarity and increases light transmission in low light situations. Reduce red glare and extra red lights in the view, and make the dots centered in the inner tube and not blurred. 11 red dot brightness settings ensure optimal visibility in all lighting conditions, allowing shooters to tailor the dot intensity to the situation at hand. Settings 1 to 5 are appropriate for a dim or rainy environment, whereas settings 6 to 9 are appropriate for a bright or sunny day. For the middle of the day, settings 10 to 11 are ideal. The body is made of shockproof aluminum and is extremely durable. Nitrogen was purged, and O-ring was sealed. The housing is completely waterproof and sealed. The matte black anodized finish resists scratches while maintaining a low profile. Nitrogen purged fog proofing. The presence of nitrogen inside the scope ensures that interior optical surfaces do not fog as a result of humidity or rapid temperature changes. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best red dot sight under $50 list is Feyachi Reflex Sight. Feyachi is known for producing low-cost attractions, and its red dot sight is no exception. It's a low-cost sight with 4 different reticle patterns and 2 different reticle colors that you can cycle through. But the best part about this sight is how bright it gets, so you'll have no trouble seeing the reticle no matter where you need it. However, if you're out on a sunny day, there's a good chance you'll have to deal with glare, which can be a major issue in and of itself. Furthermore, there are only 5 brightness settings to choose from, which may make it difficult to find the optimal setting for your circumstances. However, for the price, this is a fantastic red dot sight. A 33mm sighting system allows for quick target acquisition, and the open design keeps the shooter aware of his surroundings. Designed for target shooting and hunting, this lens has a wide field of view. The dot system can be set to red or green in any of 4 different reticle styles. It's like seeing 4 different sights in one. It's lightweight but tough, and with the rail attachment system, it'll securely mount to your rifle or shotgun and last a long time. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Predator V2 Reflex Sight. The aluminum alloy used in the Tacticon Predator V2 Reflex Sight is of exceptional grade. This sight is waterproof and fog-proof, so it won't get wet or fog up your lenses while you're shooting. Depending on the reticle pattern you want, this optic may be modified to 4 different reticle settings. This sight offers both red and green reticle options, depending on the light level you're working in. To fulfill your needs, there are 9 distinct brightness settings in both red and green. The parallax-free design allows for lightning-fast target acquisition. It's quite simple to sight in. Even after thousands of shots, it maintains 0. We developed this to allow for 4 different reticle types to pick from, as well as red or green color options for all reticle variations, whether you're shooting at dawn, dusk, night, or the middle of the day. This reflex sight was designed to work in tandem with iron sights. This optic works best with Tacticon brand iron sights. Moisture and dust are kept out by O-rings, and the glass optic is nitrogen purged to keep it from fogging up. Reflection-resistant lens coating for shooting in the sun.